Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super important for anyone receiving pension or annuity payments. How to complete the W-4P form for 2025. If you're new here, I'm your go-to guide for simplifying tax forms, so let's break this down step by step to make it easy and stress-free. First off, why does this matter? The W-4P form tells your payer how much federal income tax to withhold from your pension or annuity distributions. Getting it right means you're not hit with surprises at tax time. For 2025, the IRS might have minor updates, like adjusted income thresholds, so always check the latest form on their website. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Gather your information. You'll need your Social Security number, address, and filing status. At the top of the form, enter your full name and address accurately to avoid any processing delays. Next, in Section 1, choose your filing status. This is like the one on your W-4 for employment, single, married filing jointly, or head of household. Pick the one that matches your 2025 tax situation to ensure the right withholding amount. Moving to Section 2, this is where you indicate your withholding allowances. For 2025, you can use the IRS worksheet to calculate how many allowances you claim based on your expected income, deductions, and credits. If you have multiple jobs or other income, adjust here to avoid under-withholding. In Section 3, if you want extra withholding, enter the additional amount per payment. This is great if you had taxes owed last year and want to cover it proactively. Don't forget Section 4 for any special instructions, like if you're a non-resident alien. Finally, double-check everything, sign and date the form, and submit it to your payer. Remember, you can update this form anytime your situation changes. There you have it. That's how to tackle the W-4P form for 2025. If you're unsure, consult a tax professional or visit irs.gov for the latest details. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more tax tips, and I'll see you in the next video.